Okay, buddy. Okay, let's start with the stuff that I know you know. Okay? Just sit. Good boy. Gentle. Yes. Free. Go get it. Touch. Yes. Place. Yes. Sit. Yes. Down. Yes. Free. Get it. Yes. 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 Do you know it without the words? Oh, you only want to do it on the place. Okay. Ooh, nice. Down. Okay. Place. Yes. Sit. Yes. Stay. Yes. Place. Yes. Stay. Sit. Down. Nice. Nice. Down. Stay. Beat it. Super. Super eye contact. Okay, free. Get it. Get it. Get it. All right, let's go to crate. Yes. Yes, crate. Good boy. Stay. Let's try again. Crate. Oh, but you don't trust me. It's okay. Yes. Super. Super. Stay. Yes. Much better. Okay, breathe. Yes. Okay, let's do that again, but just a little bit harder. I'm going to leave the room and see if you can. Oh, that's a lovely stay and sit on place. Stay. Oh. Stay there. Stay. Yes! Good job, buddy! That was so hard for you. That was the first time we ever did that. Free? Get it. Yes. Get it, get it, get it. Over here. Get it. Get it. Yes. Oh, it was really hard for you. Yes, place. Yes, sit. Okay, stay. Can you go to place? You just focus on the food. Oh, thinking about it. I bet if I wait, you'll just figure it out. I'm going to point to place. Did you finally skip me? Yes! Good boy! That was so hard. It was so hard. Was the loose kibble tempting? I did not even see that. You're so smart. Oh, try again. Place. Yes. Oops. Place. Yes, good set. All right, stay. right, great. So first, Free, go get it. Oh, get it. Great, place. Yes, super. Eye contact. Oh, I will get it for you. You remember every little piece of kibble, come on. Okay, get it. Please. Yes. Sit. Yes. Leave it. Yes. Okay, Free, get it. Go to place. Yes. Super. Okay, Free, get it. All right, let's have a little bit more fun. Oopsies. Yes, good boy. Great. Can you catch? Yes. Excellent catch. Are you ready? Catch. Oh, you missed. We're going to be moving around the room a little bit, so I don't want that to be distracting to you. Let's see if you can do magic. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. You always go to that side. You're so funny. Touch. Yes. Magic. Yes. Magic. Yes. Magic. Yes. Magic. Yes. Magic. Yes. Magic. Magic. Touch. Awesome job. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see. We did sit, stay, down, yes, free, up, high, gentle, great, place. We did get it. G-O, potty is for outside. We did leave it. Oh, let's do a little bit of toy switch. Toy switch. You ready? Go get it. Yes. Touch. You ready? Go get it. Oh, it's an outside game and we're too focused on food to do fetch? I understand. Oh, can we bow? Did we remember that one? Yes, bow. Yes, bow. I do it with a fist instead of an open hand. Okay, down. Yes, very good. Free, get it. Bow. Yes. Free, get it. Good boy. All right. Let's see. Oh, we've been working a little bit on our dance, but let's do some cuddles. Can we do some cuddles? Yes. May I? Yes. May I? Yes. What if I touch your ears? Oopsies, go get it. May I? Yes. Free, go get it. May I? Yes. What if I touch your butt? May I? Yes. Okay. Let's do uppies. Can we do uppies? You're licking my hand, so I'm going to take that as a no. Good shake off. Okay. Let's try it one more time. How about cuddles? You want cuddles? Yes, we can do cuddles. Okay. Uppies? Can we do uppies? Oh, we're being a little mouthy. So you said no to uppies. Yes, good job. Good communication. Good boy. Okay. Last but not least. Ooh la la la. What's this? You told me about this earlier. What does this mean? What does it mean? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Eat. Eat. Yes. Magic. Can you tell me? I'm going to give you a minute to figure it out, because I know that you know it.